everyone, today I'll be doing a hairstylist kit video. What's in my kit video? I'm going to go through everything that's in my luggage. This is what I use for traveling in this bag right here. So what I usually do is I just put this like this, and I sewed this little elastic in my bag so I can just up there and I'll just pull it and carry it like that. So I'm gonna start with the luggage right here. I got this from my Sam's. Oh gosh, I got this luggage from Sam's. We're gonna go through it and see what I have in here. Okay, so here I have my Hairspray. It's like a little bag right here. It keeps it organized for me. And I love the color of this. I just like neutrals. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I love it. This is the #1 that everybody's always asking about. I spray it and everybody's always like, oh my god, it smells so good. What is that? It's crazy because it literally looks like I'm sponsoring it, but I'm not. I wish. I always spray it on clients. Always. And next I have dry shampoo. Lavender Fields. It smells really good. I really like this. The hairspray that I use a lot, it's the It Freeze Mega Freeze Extra Hold. They're really good. They hold curls, they hold the hairstyle really good. Like, I've tried so many designer hairsprays, but I really like this blonde holding hairspray. It's just like a backup hairspray, and it's really good too. This one's my favorite. It's thickening fiber piece. A lot of people ask me for this too. Like, I have it right there and they're always looking at it, grabbing it. They're like, what is this for? So it's a thickening fiber piece for fine or thinning hair. I use it for like baby hairs. Whenever I'm doing a braid, I'll like put it here in the top and comb it with my fingers like that, and then it makes everything look smooth. So if you really want your hairstyles to not look frizzy, this one and this one. This all I use. These two last things. This one, it's Paul Mitchell thermal protection hairspray. Really good. I really like it. And Everpro Gray Away. So for whoever wants to cover their white hairs. The last thing I have in this side is this little pouch, and it's just for like extra pins that I carry. Okay, now on this side I have this extension. Got it from Amazon, so this is what I use. Really good. Next I have this bag full of all the combs, brushes. I'm not gonna go through all of them, but you can see right here I have different kinds. Now the one that I use the most is this one right here. It's for teasing and for making the part. I don't like this one for parts because you can tell the difference. This doesn't give me a straight line, this one does. And then this right here is for teasing too. But the one that I use the most, and I can't do hair without it, is this one. Really good. I love wood brushes. They're my favorite. Next I have everything that I need for pinning updos and hairstyles right here. This container, I got it from Amazon. Here, full of bobby pins. I have the medium bobby pins right here and the big ones right here. More curl pins, elastics, little elastics right here, and hairpins that I need to buy more. This little bag right here usually has the buns that you use for updos, but this time I don't have any right now. I'm gonna go and get some more. I have my scissors. Here, last few things, I have this mat. I need to get a new one, but this mat right here is really worn out. But we use this to put our hot tubes on top so we won't burn anything. This one, it's not a makeup bag. It's the ones that workers use for like tools for working outside, you know, like hammers and stuff like that. But I bought it for just like putting the clips here when we're working, the bobby pins, brushes. So this one, I got it from Amazon. Also, some people have asked me about this. Here in the front, I have all the hair clips, just like alligator. I think they're called alligator clips, like this. So here it's a mirror, the one that I use. Now right here it's the blow dryer. I like all black. So this one, it's the Extava blow dryer, all black. It's really, really nice. I really recommend it. Everything that I have is Extava, and no sponsoring or anything. I wish. Everything is from Amazon. These are from Amazon. Everything's from Amazon. I love buying from Amazon, as you can tell. But this one right here is Extava, and you can change the barrels. So I have here the bag full of different barrels, and what I like is that it comes with 5 different kinds. These 5 come together, the curling barrels, in just one of these. Next I have a crimper. I can't do hairstyles without this. I can't. This is what gives me the volume. Everything is thinner. So the last thing right here is a straightener. It's also from Extava. The crimper is not from Extava. That's the only thing that's not. I don't really know how to pronounce the brand. It was really hard for me to choose a crimper, but this one's really, really good. I tried other ones before, and no, I didn't like them. I like this one. It comes with different sizes of, I don't know the name of this. So I have 2 crimpers, 2 straighteners, 2 curling ones. So that's it for here. I mean, that's pretty much it. I wanted to share this with you guys. My hairstyling kit is not really that big. Like, I don't have so many products. I don't, because that's all I need. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.